I'm Ryan Graves, and this is your TIA Tech Tip for July 2026. Today we are going to be talking about taking proper rim and wheel measurements. When it comes to rims and wheels, measurements are often incorrect due to the incorrect position that the measurements are being taken from. When it comes to rim width and diameter of the rim, these measurements are always taken from bead seat radius to bead seat radius. The bead seat radius is the area between the rim flange and the bead seat where the heel of the bead contacts the rim. Too often, this measurement is taken from the outside of one rim flange to the outside of the opposite rim flange, which is incorrect. Another important measurement is the bolt pattern or bolt circle. Every wheel has small, evenly spaced bolt holes where the studs pass through so the fasteners can be attached. On a wheel with an even amount of bolt holes, this measurement is taken from the center of one bolt hole to the center of the opposite bolt hole. On wheels with an odd number of bolt holes, the bolt circle is measured from the center of one bolt hole to the outside edge of the opposite bolt hole. These are three important measurements that every technician should know, especially when replacing a wheel. For TIA, I'm Ryan Graves. Thank you for watching.